Grand Rising family, I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. Listen, if you're not subscribed to BitMax family, I need y'all to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and if you like the content, like the video, family, or leave a comment, right? Listen, we have about 2 days left. I'm still offering my advanced crypto class. If you want to sign up, email me at bmac252.sf@gmail.com, or you can email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. You email me, send me the information. I will reach back, let you know it's a $99 fee. Once you cash at me the money, we off and running. I'll send you all the information you need to get started in the class, family. Listen, family, the market is really having a correction. But today on this show, we're going to talk all about Cardano and why Cardano is the gem in the dirt that haven't been found, right? Cardano is that gem, is that gold that's in the dirt and it ain't been found yet, but it's being they slowly starting to excavate the gold from in the dirt. And this is Cardano, family, right? So off gate, family. Now, I hope y'all been enjoying the videos so far, but we're gonna jump right into Cardano, right? So, all right, this is an article where it says that Cardano is set to outpace even the fastest moving crypto coins. It's a next gen coin with powerful momentum. Cardano's cheap even at all-time highs. Now, family, I told y'all that the month of February was going to be ADA to the moon and XLM, right? ADA has held up to its end of the bargain. ADA has reached an all-time high, and going into March, ADA has some things that's about to happen that's going to keep the momentum going, family. It's going to keep the momentum going. Cardano is about to surpass USD Tether in the total market cap right now as we speak. As we speak, ADA is about to move into the 4th position and pass USD Tether. Why? Because ADA is built to last. So let's get into this, right? It says it really wasn't very long ago that the Cardano bulls struggled to maintain a dime, not to mention $1 per coin. Today, the picture is drastically different as Cardano is quickly becoming a crypto market darling, right? I'm not going to read all this. I'm just going to hit on some of the high points, right? It says, a closer look at the Cardano price. Among commodity traders, silver is sometimes called the devil's metal due to its high level of volatility. Could Cardano then be the devil's cryptocurrency? Right? Back in 2017, Cardano went from 2 cents to $1. But then it plunged back down, y'all, right? But Cardano remains quite unique among popular cryptocurrencies. Sure, it's cheaper on a per coin basis than Bitcoin and Ethereum, but that's not the only difference. Besides being decentralized, and I told y'all Cardano is the most decentralized crypto of all, and going into March, it's really about to be almost 80% decentralized, right? But besides being decentralized, which could be said about many cryptocurrencies, the Cardano network is known as a multi-asset smart chain platform, right? So this article basically is just talking about Cardano and how it's outperforming all the other coins. Now, I called this back in January, telling y'all that Cardano was about to take off and gonna run the market. And as we speak, it was between Cardano and Binance. But right now, the way the money's ending, I'm gonna have to move back to Cardano, as saying that Cardano ran this month, ADA ran the month, family. But let me go to some more news, right? Since we're gonna talk about this. Now listen, everybody know that Elon Musk always is tweeting stuff and pumping coins, right? Well, do y'all know that Elon Musk changed his Twitter bio to Meta 4K? Is he really trolling Cardano? Interesting. The Cardano community speculates on Elon Musk possibly trolling of the cryptocurrency and the ADA purchase announcement. The speculations say that Musk could be referring to the programming language or the K parameter. Elon Musk changed his Twitter bio picture, y'all, to represent this. So what is he saying? You know, Elon Musk makes stuff and a lot of things move when he tweets stuff, right? It says, after Elon Musk changed his Twitter bio to Meta 4K, wild speculation began today within the Cardano community about whether the Tesla CEO may have been making a reference to the cryptocurrency. The theory that took hold was that Musk was trolling Cardano. Even Cardano creator Charles Huskinson reinforced the theory in a Twitter post. Huskinson spoke of several signs that point to the veracity of this thesis. For example, the K in Musk bio could refer to the Meta program language called K, which was developed by Runtime Verification, one of Cardano's partners. This is the tweet that Charles Huskinson put. In case you're wondering, Elon Musk is trolling Cardano, and yes, we love you for it, Papa P. So Elon Musk is out here changing his Twitter profile to the Cardano logo, basically, family. And people are looking at this saying, what is next? Is Elon Musk actually about to reveal that he have brought into Cardano? And you know, when Elon Musk, when he tweet about stuff, family, the prices go up. Dogecoin is a prime example. When he tweet about it, price goes up. And we got some evidence that the price is going up now. Well, we're gonna get there in a minute, right? So listen. Now, Cardano hard fork. Cardano just had a hard fork, Mary, right? And Mary is part of the Shelby rollout, with the Guggen rollout, right? I'm sorry, right? But let me see where I wanted to talk about this. All right, here we go. I moved it. All right, the Cardano hard fork Mary proudly announced why the Sayer Musk Saga keeps on turning, right? So what is it? There was big news from Cardano. The company developed the Cardano protocol announced that the Mary protocol update, which will require a hard fork, will be applied to the main net on March the 1st. Told y'all more news is coming out for Cardano in March, yo. This theme ain't gonna slow down, right? But listen, it says will be rolled out on the main net March 1st. Noting that it's another key milestone in the Guggen rollout. We're gonna talk about the Guggen rollout. In a tweet, they explained that the update introduced native tokens and multi-asset support, bringing exciting new uses for Cardano. Could the update see the token's remarkable recent price drive continue even further? I really believe so. This is what I'm telling you. Catching our eye in the DeFi market is Cyber Elf, who appeared in the spotlight in Crypto AM last November. The price shot up yesterday. I know they're talking about Cyber Elf. But the key is, y'all, ADA has the hard port married, and it's part of the Guggen, right? The Guggen rollout. So now we're going to talk about the Guggen rollout, family. Right? So listen, this right here is Cardano roadmap for those who don't know. So you had Brian, which was the foundation. Then you had the Shelley rollout. And now we're going into the Guggen rollout. Now, the Guggen rollout, now listen, the Brian rollout was the foundation. The Shelley rollout was to make it decentralization, right? To decentralize the network. The Guggen rollout is going to allow smart contracts, followed by scaling, then governance. So you can see the roadmap that Cardano was on, right? But let's look at Guggen and the smart contracts. So this is where things is about to get very interesting. And why I'm so bullish on ADA. It says, with the integration of smart contracts, the Guggen era represents a big step forward in capability for the Cardano network. Where the Shelley era decentralized the quarter system, Guggen adds the ability to build decentralized applications, dApps. There we go with DeFi. There we go, dApps is coming. Listen, on Cardano's solid foundation of peer-reviewed research and high assurance development. The work for Guggen has been underway in parallel with Shelley, and when complete, will allow users from technical and non-technical backgrounds to create and execute functional smart contracts on the Cardano network. Huge, family. This is huge news. Listen, if y'all like the content, man, like the video, man. Thumb up the video. Make sure y'all subscribe to Bittrex, man, on YouTube. So I keep giving y'all this information, right? All right. One of the goals for the Guggen era has been the creation of Plutus, a purpose-built smart contract development language and execution platform using the functional programming language Haskell. Plutus is already available for testing and brings the benefits of functional programming to smart contract creation. It also allows one code base to support both on and off chain components, improving the coherency and usability of the development experience compared with existing smart contract applications. The Guggen era also encompasses work to make Cardano accessible to wider audiences via Marlowe, allowing financial and business experts with no previous technical knowledge to create smart contracts. Marlowe is a high-level, domain-specific language for financial contracts, which is built on Plutus. Marlowe comes with the Marlowe Playground. You see how they have all this stuff put together, family? It's eloquent the way they have all this. Look, let me keep going. An easy-to-use application building platform that non-programmers can use to build financial smart contracts. Together, Marlowe and the Marlowe Playground simplify the process of creating smart contracts for financial applications, allowing subject matter experts to directly contribute without requiring deep programming skills. The combination of Plutus and Marlowe will enable a new class of enterprise-level smart contracts with verified functionality capable of underpinning large-scale implementations in the real world. This right here, man, listen, Guggen is going to make ADA unstoppable, as well as adding functionality in the form of smart contracts. Guggen will also see improvements to the core Cardano offering. Most significantly, the addition of a multi-currency ledger will extend the usefulness of Cardano even further, enabling users to create new natively supporting tokens. Remember I told y'all that last haul for it, allows you now where you can create your own token. The last hall folk that they had. This will allow the creation of fungible and non-fungible tokens, supporting the creation of new cryptocurrencies on Cardano, as well as the tokenization of many types of digital physical assets. Another benefit would be easier integration of smart contracts and dApps involving multiple cryptocurrencies. So basically, now once this happens, you will be able to trade all the cryptocurrencies on ADA. You can create your own, or you can the existing ones. This is gonna, y'all, this right here. The Google era represents a step change in the abilities of Cardano, opening the way to the development of enterprise-level, mission-critical, decentralized smart contract applications, with even more exciting things to come during the Basho and volatile eras. So you see the scaling in the government. Family, this roadmap is bananas. Now, because we ain't gonna be here too long, what I want y'all, I'm gonna play this article, y'all. It says 508 million open interest makes Cardano 88 the third largest futures market. So let me play this, and then we're gonna take it to the chart, right? Then we're gonna look at the chart, see what's going on with ADA. So let me play this, family.
$580 million open interest makes Cardano, ADA, the third largest futures market. On February 3, Cardano, ADA, conducted a hard fork and successfully integrated the Mary upgrade to the testnet, transforming the blockchain into a multi-asset network similar to Ethereum. This event seems to be one of the reasons for Cardano's impressive 475% rally year-to-date, and the altcoin is now causing unexpected ripples in the derivatives markets. Since the end of December, Cardano's $81 million aggregate futures open interest hiked to the current $580 million, becoming the third largest derivatives market, behind BTC and Ether, ETH. Data indicates this was not purely a technical adjustment, as Cardano's on-chain and trading metrics vastly outperform Litecoin's. Cardano futures aggregate open interest. Source, Byte.com. A week ago, Litecoin, LTC, led Cardano's open interest by a 50% or higher margin. That all changed over the past 5 days, as Litecoin's aggregate futures position was cut by 40%. Despite facing a similar price correction to Litecoin's 30% between February 20th and 22nd, Cardano had $125 million long contracts liquidations, roughly 19% of the open interest at that time. ADA trading volume and on-chain metrics strengthen. Volume is the first and foremost indicator of investors' interest. Regardless of the price movement, low trading activity reflects a small user base or a lack of new entrants, which is especially problematic for cryptocurrencies as an emerging asset class. ADA and LTC 3-day average spot trading volume, USDK. Source, Masari Screener. Although starting from a much lower base 3 months ago, Cardano's trading volume soared in February, while a Litecoin was unable to surpass the $2 billion daily average mark. Meanwhile, ADA's aggregate spot trading volume at exchanges currently sits at $2.8 billion. ADA and LTC 7-day average transfers and transactions, USD. Source, coinmetrics.io. ADA's on-chain metrics also provide insight into its rising use and open interest. Data shows that up to November 2019, both networks shared a similar level of transfer and transaction value. By mid-2020, Cardano took the lead, getting 10 times more on-chain activity. This difference is now 50 times larger. Overall, both trading data and on-chain metrics validate Cardano's futures open interest flipping Litecoins. Vortex score, green, versus ADA price. Source, Cointelegraph Markets Pro. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro illustrates that the number of tweets from unique accounts discussing Cardano is 24% higher than the 30-day average over the past 24 hours. Tweet volume is one component of the Vortex score that identified bullish conditions for ADA on February 18, before the recent price surge. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision.
So Cardano open interest made it the third largest futures market out of all of them, family, right? So let's go to the chart real fast. Let's look at ADA, right? So first off, I want y'all to see that everything is in the red. But what is ADA? Now, ADA was up 10% before I started this video. It was up higher, but it's up 5.71%. Everything is in the red, fam. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh. I told y'all, didn't I tell y'all that Cardano was about to flip? USDT. Oh, it didn't. Okay, no, okay, I see what happened. USDT flipped Binance Coin, because Binance was number 3, USDT was number 4, and then it was Cardano. But if you look at the prices, market cap of all of these, USDT is 34 billion 975. Binance is 34 billion 512. Cardano is 34 billion and $37. Cardano is coming to flip both of these. Both of these will get flipped. I don't know about Binance. Binance Coin may pick back up, but Cardano is gonna flip Tether. Now, how you know this for sure is when you look at the circulating supply. You see that Cardano circulating supply, and this is just a matter of math, man, mathematics, simple math that you know this stuff. But Cardano circulating supply is 31 billion. USDT circulating supply is 35 billion, right? USDT is at $1. Cardano's at $1.09. So Cardano get up to $1.25, 30 cents. Automatically it's gonna flip USDT just because of the sheer numbers that it has. Because USDT have an extra basically 4 billion more coins than Cardano. So if Cardano get 20 cents above $1, it's probably gonna make up that 4 billion coin difference. So just a matter of numbers, the ADA is gonna take over USDT. But also you can see that while everything else is going down, the market is red. ADA is moving, it's going up. Everything else is in the red, but ADA is still going up, family. That's a good sign. So let's go to the chart right. All right, so you can see that all-time high is $1, around $1.20. Yesterday, we was getting up there, $1.18. Today we was up to $1.15, like $1.14. So it won't that long ago, maybe an hour or two, that Cardano was up to $1.14. Since then, we having a little amount of pullback, but we got a bullish cross right now. I don't know, it's trying to turn to a bearish cross. You see the red trying to cross the 34 days, trying to cross the 13-day average. Basically been moving sideways. Had a low of 80 cents on February 23rd. I think I broke that dip. See, this is why I tell y'all you buy dips, family. The other dip, it got down to 98 cents. You up 10 cents if you bought the dip. You buy the dip. But Cardano is looking good, man. We got a little red candle here, but when you look at this thing, you just, put it in perspective. You can see the move. It's just going up. It went up. It hit its all-time high. Every time it hit all-time high, they consolidate, come back down. But we went to test it again. Got close. Then we close enough, come back down. But this news, and when you look at this, all been the month of February, family. Look at this is starting right here, is on February the 1st. This is where we at. And look what Cardano done for the month of February. And I told y'all, man, look what it done for the month of February. For the month of February, this thing just took off. Took right off. And I tell y'all, it's gonna run March too. Cardano has the potential to get to $10. Easy. Easy, y'all. Easy. And also, liquid finance. I think I spelled it wrong. I think that's it. I ain't gonna worry about it. But liquid finance is coming for ADA. So it's coming. It's coming real soon. And you know, they based, but I talked about that, how Cardano 88 is in Africa trying to, here we go liquid finance. They coming, you know, they're gonna allow DeFi on the Cardano network. And when you look at the team, you can see what's going on. But here we go, you know, from industrial yield farming to hydroponics, you know, they coming, yield farming and liquidity provider incentive. Like, listen, the liquid is coming to bring yield farming to ADA. And yield farming is where it's at, family, right? I'm just telling y'all, it is coming. And it's coming fast. It's supposed to be coming in March. You should get more into it. But look at this. Yeah. Y'all gotta come check this out, man. I don't want to go any further than what we're talking about, man. But I appreciate y'all for watching this episode of Max Crypto News. I look forward to seeing y'all on the next video. With that being said, peace, family. I love y'all. Well, I do. I'm out.